Welcome back to our channel. Today, when it comes to exploring the great outdoors with comfort and style, camper vehicles have redefined the idea of traveling. In 2025, three models stand tall above the rest, pushing the boundaries of innovation, luxury, and practicality. These top three campers are not just vehicles, they are mobile homes that turn every road trip into a luxury vacation. Whether you're heading for mountain peaks, deep forests, or long coastal drives, these campers offer everything you need, from cutting-edge tech to cozy interiors, to make the journey as memorable as the destination. First up is the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo. With a legendary brand behind its design, this camper is where sophistication meets off-grid functionality. On the outside, it retains that sleek, premium look you expect from Mercedes, with modern LED lighting and a compact yet bold van structure. But it's the interior where the Marco Polo truly shines. Step inside and you're welcomed by a luxurious mini living space featuring yacht-style wood flooring, soft-touch materials, and smart storage compartments throughout. The cabin seats swivel to face a fold-out table, creating a perfect dining or work area. At night, the seats convert into a comfortable double bed, while the pop-up roof hides an additional sleeping space for two. There's a compact kitchenette with a sink, gas stove, and fridge, all seamlessly integrated into the cabinetry. Mercedes' MBUX infotainment system adds a high-tech touch, allowing full control of lighting, temperature, and even camper-specific functions through voice or touchscreen. It's a camper designed for those who want comfort without compromising on aesthetics or brand value. Next, we move to the 2025 Airstream Interstate 24X, a rugged, adventure-ready camper van for the bold and daring. Unlike the Mercedes Marco Polo, which leans toward urban luxury, the Interstate 24X screams wilderness. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, it combines reliability with off-road capability. Featuring all-terrain tires, lifted suspension, and a protective exterior with brush guards and roof racks, it's made to go where others can't. But don't let the tough exterior fool you, the inside is a refined blend of modern craftsmanship and tactical design. Aluminum walls, modular seating, and marine-grade flooring create a resilient yet stylish interior. There's a rear lounge that converts into a massive sleeping space, and its smart layout makes it perfect for storing outdoor gear like bikes, surfboards, or climbing equipment. The kitchen includes an induction cooktop, microwave, refrigerator, and a stainless steel sink, offering full cooking functionality. Off-grid capability is supported by a lithium battery system, solar panels, and a water filtration unit, so you can stay disconnected for days without any trouble. The Interstate 24X is made for the explorer who values utility and freedom, backed by the legendary craftsmanship of Airstream. Finally, the third contender that turns heads is the 2025 Winnebago Echo. This is not just a camper van, it's a mini motorhome that blends compact efficiency with maximum living space. Built on a Ford Transit AWD chassis, the Echo is designed for year-round, all-weather adventure. Its boxy structure allows for more vertical room, giving it an almost studio apartment-like feel inside. The Echo shines in its versatility. There's a dry bathroom, a rare feature in this class, that includes a separate toilet and shower area. Its twin beds can be joined into a large sleeping space, while clever storage compartments and convertible furniture optimize space. The kitchen is fully functional, with a 2-burner stove, microwave, refrigerator, and ample counter space. One of its standout features is the onboard generator-free power system, powered by solar and lithium-ion batteries. This means silent, eco-friendly energy whether you're in the desert or a secluded forest. Another brilliant feature is the garage space at the rear, designed to hold outdoor gear, electric bikes, and more. It's one of the few campers that truly caters to digital nomads and active families alike, with enough connectivity, living comfort, and storage to serve as a true home on wheels. Each of these campers has its unique flavor, crafted for different types of adventurers. The Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo offers a premium travel experience for couples or solo travelers who want elegance on the move. The Airstream Interstate 24X is rugged and dependable, built for those who venture far beyond the beaten path. And the Winnebago Echo is the all-in-one solution, blending the spaciousness of a small RV with the mobility of a camper van. These vehicles are more than just transport, they are lifestyle enablers that turn ordinary trips into extraordinary experiences. From scenic road trips along coastlines to remote getaways in the wilderness, the top campers of 2025 are pushing the boundaries of what's possible on four wheels. Their advanced technology, thoughtful design, and versatile features prove that adventure and comfort no longer need to be at odds. Whether you're a weekend traveler, a full-time vanlifer, or someone who simply loves the open road, one of these top 3 campers could be the perfect travel companion for your next journey. So if you're planning to invest in a mobile lifestyle, don't settle for anything less than the best. The Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo, Airstream Interstate 24X, and Winnebago Echo represent the future of road tripping in comfort and style. The roads are calling, are you ready to amp?